Welcome to Lane Credit University. My name is Conrad Layn. The question is, how do you increase your credit score? Simple. There's many different ways to increase your credit score, but I'm going to give you two tactics. One tactic is, remember, 35% of the credit bureau's algorithm that makes up your FICO score is actually payment history. 30% is amounts owed. This is what it means. As long as you keep your amounts owed to a low amount, as low as possible, 30% of that will contribute and attribute to your credit score. And as long as you pay your bills on time, payment history is 35% of the credit bureau's algorithm for FICO score credit monitoring and credit scoring. You'll actually get 35%. So together, that's 65%. That's more than 50%. You do that, that alone will help you increase your credit score. There's many other secrets and tactics, but as long as you pay your bills on time, because 35% of the credit bureau's algorithm is payment history, 30% is amounts owed. And as long as you're hacking away those debts and paying monthly, bringing that debt down, you'll definitely get good benefits and good reporting on behalf, because that's 65% that you knocked out right there. Then of course you can worry about the credit utilization, etc., keep it under 30%. But if you worry about those two first starting off, you'll definitely increase your credit score. But again, do your own due diligence, talk to your professional, or do your own due diligence. Like, subscribe, share. Conrad Layn out.